Merlin can also be used to identify birds by sound. Click on the Sound ID button to get started. Then click on the green microphone icon to begin recording the birds nearby. The display at the top of the screen will show the sounds being recorded. Merlin will give you suggestions for the bird in real time. And if more than one bird is singing, Merlin will attempt to identify them all. Click on the Stop button to end the recording. Once the recording has stopped, click on any bird in the list and the playhead will jump to the position in the recording when that bird begins singing. Click on the play button to hear the recording. Then click on the down arrow next to that bird to hear a recording of the suggested species to compare with what you are hearing and confirm the ID. Identifying birds by sound is tricky. Merlin uses thousands of recordings to learn the vocalizations of each bird species. Watch as suggestions appear and note the pitch and pattern of each bird's song. Some birds sound very similar, and the best way to learn is to be able to see the bird that is singing. Merlin will automatically save your recordings onto your device. Each recording is labeled by date and time. To rename the recording, click on the pencil icon, click on Rename, then type in a new name with the keyboard. If you do not want to save the recording, click on the trash can to delete it. Files are stored in the app in a location called My Sound Recordings. Click on any of the names in the list to access the recording. If Merlin can't identify your bird, try getting closer to the bird without disturbing it and try recording again. If Merlin still doesn't have possible matches, it could be that the species you are trying to record is not supported in Merlin. In this case, you can browse the likely species for your area and explore nearby birds. Click on any bird shown to read the identification help text. Listen to provided recordings, and view the map of that species range to see if there are any good matches. If you think you have a good recording but Merlin still can't find a match, you can click on the Report No Matches button. Your response will be added to the database to help improve Merlin's accuracy. Sound ID currently supports more than 450 birds in the US and Canada and will be expanding around the world as our collection of recordings shared by eBird users to the Macaulay Library continues to grow.